This is Klipper. It's a free open source firmware for 3D printers. And this is an $80 Ender 5 S1. So, in order to put free firmware on our budget printers, we're gonna need this, a Raspberry Pi. You don't need a Pi to run Klipper. Really? Yeah, Klipper doesn't really care what it runs on. As long as you got a Linux system and 4 gigabytes of RAM, you should be all right. Instead of a Raspberry Pi, I went with this. A used $48 Dell Chromebook off of Amazon. All right, so as of right now, we have about $80 invested in the machine itself, and this decision is going to be the first time we actually add to that number. And this matters, because our ultimate goal is to keep the cost of this budget build under the price of a modern printer. So $48, that raises our total investment to 128 bucks. So here's the deal. With this laptop, same as the Raspberry Pi, we can host Klipper, Moonsail, Moonraker, and we can flash our MCU on our printer. But comes with built-in screen, built-in keyboard and mouse, the ability to host your own slicer right there. You can slice it and send it to your printer all on the same screen. So for me, that's a ton of value. Spent all yesterday, late last night, getting the Chromebook set up with Linux, Klipper, Mainsail, and all the stuff we're gonna need to do what we need to do. And just in time too, because Mikey is literally on his way here right now with his bone stock S1.
So aggressive.
If all goes according to plan, Mikey and I will set up the two machines. We'll get a baseline comparison, stock versus Klipper. And hopefully, if we have enough time, we'll flash Mikey's S1 as well.